Today we're going to be talking about something that could actually bring you more financial freedom. And if you're wondering what's this about, today we're going to be talking about various platforms that can help you break into the 7-figure income in this year 2024 and thereafter. And of course, today we're going to be talking about the top 5 freelance platform that can get you there, get you to that financial freedom you've been looking about. So we'll be breaking about this top 5 financial freedom. And of course, we'll be comparing the top 5 freelance platform you can earn 7-figure income from in the year 2024. And of course, if you're just joining this channel for the first time today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever we do beautiful videos like this, you'll be one of the first few people to get started, and of course, start making money online. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. On our top one for today, we've got Upwork. Now, Upwork is one of the largest and most versatile freelance platform, okay? Because it caters for a wide range of professionals from software development to creative writing. Now, let's go over and check Upwork. Let's go back to my screen. Right here we have Upwork. Now, Upwork has got lots of talents right here, from writing to graphic designers to this and many more. Whatever you could think of, you could find it right here on Upwork. Now, all you have to do is to get started by creating an account, like sign up with an account, and of course, start with whatever you want to create. Let's say you're a professional writer, or you are someone who's got skills of creating content and many more. Now, let's talk about the key features of Upwork. The key features of Upwork. We've got the diverse jobs categories. Upwork's got over 70 categories. Now, I'm not talking about skill sets right here. I'm talking about categories. Over 70, and including specialized niches or many more. Like you could think about people who can design something, create a lot of things, high income jobs. You can find it right here on Upwork. Okay, now all you have to do is to go ahead to Upwork, create an account, join other clients, or other freelancer. Of course, I'm a freelancer. If you want to make money, you've got to create the account as a freelancer. The client's option is, I believe, for people who bring jobs to the platform. Okay, now for the key features, we also have the Upwork Pro and Upwork Enterprise. We've got the premium services that connect freelancers to Toptal clients. If you subscribe for the Upwork Pro or Enterprise, Upwork is going to personally connect you to it. Paying a top client so you can make more and, of course, earn higher. And they've got the robust payment protection program. Upwork is always there for you. Now, what are the advantages of Upwork? Right here, we've got a large market presence. Upwork is like number one when it comes to freelance marketing and freelance online marketplace. You've got everything there, and they pay higher. They've got the high-end jobs on Upwork. You will get those high-end jobs. They've got the high visibility. They've got more jobs, opportunities, of course, and they've got the advanced tools, time tracking, project management involving tools, streamlined workflows, and many more. We've got a reputations system also because Upwork has been there for a long time. And for you as a freelancer, building a strong profile with reviews can also attract premium clients, okay? Now, what the consideration about Upwork? Consideration, we've got a service fee ranges from 5% to 20%, depending on the kind of clients you are. If the client is just requesting a job for you for the first time, they will be charging you 20%. But after subsequent job is going to get reduced until it gets to 5%. That's what Upwork is. Now, for the competition on Upwork is often very high among freelancers. So most time newbies freelancer could find it so hard to join the platform. If you're a newbie freelancer, you might find it so hard to join the platform. Now, how do you join Upwork? It's pretty easy. Come right here, create your account, put in your first name, your last name, put in an email address, of course, create a password, select the country you're from. I've created Nigeria, so of course it's most likely to display Nigeria right here. So then you go ahead and click this. Yes, you understand, of course, create an account is pretty easy. From there, you could just go ahead, create an account and do whatever it is. If you want to create an account as a writer, go ahead. You want to create as a public relation officer or something, you could go ahead and do all those things. And that's this for Upwork. And before we move over to the next one, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Smash the bell icon so whenever I do beautiful videos like this, you will be one of the first few people to get started. Watch my video and, of course, start making money online. And don't forget, we're still going to talk about each of these platforms in comprehensive in subsequent videos. Now, number 2 for today, we've got Fiverr. Fiverr.com. And let's go over to Fiverr.com. before we do that, Fiverr.com is often known for its gig-based economy. Yeah, Fiverr.com is a big case system, and it allows freelancers to offer specific services as a predefined in prices. So which means if you're a freelancer, you could say, oh, I want to do something for $5. I want to do something for $10. And that's what we call like predefined. Well, let's go over to Upwork and see how it is. Okay, right here we've got Upwork. This is how it looks like. And it consists right here, find the right freelance service right away. So clients are going to come right here and they're going to put in the kind of service they're looking for, and they're going to see lots of freelancers who are ready. You can see they've got from programming tech to graphics to digital marketing, or to writing and translation to video animation to AI services. Man, they've got music and audio. They've got the business, the consulting, many one. These are the popular services: web development, logo design, SEO, architecture, social media marketing, voiceover, writing services, software development, data science, product photography, e-commerce marketing, video editing, and lots more. You could get that right here on Fiverr. And the best part about Fiverr is that a lot of people, it's available for newbie because most of the services start from like $5. It's only when you become a pro that you could start charging as huge as whatever for it. But when you're just starting out, it will just start with $5. Fiverr is also known as a $5 gig economy before, but it often changes after such as yes. But when you just started, it was known as the $5 gig economy. Now let's take a look at this. Export the digital marketing space. Under the digital marketing, we've got the search engine optimization, search engine marketing, local SEO, e-commerce, video SEO, many more. Under the social, I've got the social media marketing, paid social media, social commerce, and many more. Look at it, that's got lots and lots of category. Whatever it is you know how to do, you can offer a service for it right here on Fiverr. Okay? Now, what are the key features of Fiverr? Of course, the gig package is most of the best when it comes to the key features. You could create multiple service stars and create different clients' need. Have also has Fiverr Pro, although access to this virtual pool of premium freelancers and high-paying clients are often customized. In tenders, or Fiverr tends to like message you first to apply for this particular service. That's just it. Then after that, you can also create custom offers, tailor a service, even something that is not on the platform before. You could create a gig economy on it. That's the best when it comes to Fiverr, okay? Now let's go back to the advantages of Fiverr.com. We've got the scalability, which is the ability to offer add-ons and upsell to increase your earning per product. That's one of the best things about Fiverr. You could always upsell your clients, option more and more. Now let's talk about the brand building advantages, which goes directly with strong emphasis on building a recognizable brand through consistent gig offering. That's the best thing about Fiverr. You could start with the $5 gig economy, and you could always move on and on the ladder as it goes on. Now, the global audience, of course, that's got clients worldwide. I mean, like all around the world. They've got clients from Mexico, United States, Australia. Think about any country you could think about. They've got clients based there. Okay. Now, let's talk about the concentration of Fiverr.com. Apart from the fact that there are the lower starting price, which is like the $5 gig economy, they could price as low as $5. That's one of like the best thing you could consider when it comes to starting with Fiverr. So this is like the platform that is encouraged by most newbies and of course professionals. You could start with this. And the platform fee is nothing less than 20% commission. Unlike Upwork, that reduces the commission after subsequent purchases, Fiverr is a minimum of 20% and it stays 20% commission forever. So that's just the bird thing about it. Now, maybe what you could always think about it and you could always get started with it. Now, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course, give this video a thumbs up so if you're enjoying this video so far. Now, let's go over to the third thing on this list. We call it Freelancer.com. Now, Freelancer.com is just a global platform of vast arrays of jobs, categories from web design to marketing to engineering, and also the same just like Fiverr. Okay, the difference between Freelancer.com is that you have to bid for projects more similar to Upwork. Now, here we are at Freelancer.com. You can see it says, are the best freelancers for any online job. Simply means whatever it is you can think of that you need the service, you can always get it right here on Freelancer.com. So if you want to make quick money, you want to make money when only passive income as a freelancer, then you've got to come right here and join Freelancer.com. And it's pretty easy, like I said earlier. Just come right here, click sign up, and sign up as a freelancer. and simply get started with. Now, let's go straight to our number 4. Number 4, we got Toptal. Now, this is one of the best one of the best. This is for pro freelancers only, okay? Toptal prides itself as connecting clients with the top 3% of freelance talent in the field by software development, designers, and freelancers. Now, let's check what Toptal is about. So, on Toptal right there, you can see hire the top 3% of freelance talent. And this is like what these people pride themselves of. You're proud of some of that. Well, even if you're the best in your field, they only are freelancers who are like top 3 best in their fields. So they didn't just take few bits, they take like the best of the best, okay? Now, as you can see right here, it says Toptal is an exclusive network of top freelance software developers, designers, marketing experts, finance experts, product managers, and product managers in the world. Okay, so top companies are top freelancers for their most important project. Now, Toptals are for mainly for all designers, developers, marketing, and financial experts. Okay, but if you are the best and the best in your field, then you could give this platform a try. If you're hired, trust me, guys, you're going to be making nothing less than from 10,000 to 20,000 USD every month. Okay, now, the last on the list, which is the last on the list, we've got the platform that is available for newbies, okay? Why did I say it's available for newbies alone? And that's because this particular platform I'm going to be showing you today, you've got new freelancers, and of course, it's an upcoming platform, and it's got lots and lots of clients, okay? So if you get on this platform today, you can start getting clients as fast as tomorrow, okay? So, I'm going to be giving this platform right away, but before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button once again. Now let's unview this platform. Now the platform's of course selfpub.com. Now selfphub.com. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below. Now this platform is created by an Italian who is also like a client, and it's been listening to lots and lots of complaints from several freelancers on platforms like Fiverr.com and every other platform that the charges and the price that freelancers have been charging, that platforms are charging for people are too much now. This is the creator. Okay, so this platform is very easy to enter. The only difference is that you cannot switch whatever it is you're trying to do. Let's say you're from Nigeria and you're trying to make it look like you're from another country, then you should not try that with this platform. They're very strict when it comes to the country you are from, okay? But apart from that, this platform is very easy to enter for you as a new freelancers who is trying out easy skills and you want to like make lots of money online, then give this platform a try. You can see it's the best freelancer chosen by the best publisher at your disposal. Now, you just have to do is to click right here and click to enter and create an account and prove whatever it is they asked you. And of course, you can get started and start making money on this platform. Now, that will be here today for the 5 top freelancing platform to earn 7 figures income in the year 2024. And of course, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping videos on each of these platforms, the subsequent videos, and what we'll be talking about, you can get in easily, you can make lots of money, tips and tricks for you to get and make lots and lots of money on this platform. Until then, stay tuned. Don't forget, you're still right here on Nextla. And of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. It's not a goodbye, guys, but it's a good day.